What's good, YouTube? New app, $50 on my first one. I mean a banger. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm gonna try to show you everything. But yep, we got the app name coming up. It's a catering app. And y'all know the catering apps and the catering gigs, cheat code. Again, cheat code. So yeah, I'm gonna give you the app name. Let's go ahead and pick it up. It's $50. It's only going 10 miles, and it was right by my house. It's where I always do my DoorDashes and all of that. So as you know, that's not DoorDash, but stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna give you the app name in just a minute. You can't fast forward through this one because it's coming. Okay, so we pulling up to the Bonefish Grill, and this is where we gonna get our catering order right now. So we gonna pull up. I'm actually gonna back in right here. See if somebody gonna come to the side door like they usually do. I usually do DoorDash for this restaurant, so it's all good. We're gonna back in right here and let's get it. How you doing, man?
Good. Got pick up?
Okay, the order kind of big, so you know we got bags on bags. I'm gonna come actually get another bag, and this should do it. We're gonna put that order into this bag, and the other bag. My dude was like, you cool to do the YouTube and all that, so I'm like, that's a bet. So we're gonna load this down real quick and get it going. Okay, I squeezed both of them into these two bags, or not both of them, but I squeezed the whole order into these two bags. So let's take it out to the van and get it loaded up. Got them loaded. Zip that. Let's go make this drop. Okay, so we doing the easy part, which is the driving. And what I'm thinking, they got it says something about they got courier parking in the parking deck, and then go up to the 4th floor, receptionist. All right, that's no problem. I'm in an 8-foot tall van, so the problem that I be having is I hope the parking deck can accommodate, you know, my van. If not, I usually can go to a loading area. So as long as they got like a loading area, it'll be okay. But that's all I'm thinking about is, you know, the courier parking, if I can fit. Other than that, I'll be all right. So let's see what we got, man. Like I said, we driving to it right now. Let's do it. It was downtown Atlanta, but like I said, it was only 10 miles, so we pretty much already here. I'm going to probably 5 minutes away, like 2 miles away. So I'm glad I got to get off the highway, because the highway was starting to get backed up, but we just going right up here. So let's do it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but it's 7-foot clearance. So what we did, we parked right there, and this is where it said, this is 756. We got the bags. We gonna try to run it in. It said go to the elevator and go to the 4th floor. So we about to try to do that right now. Elevators. Let's go to the 4th floor. All right, let's do it. Okay, we made the drop, emptied out the bags, and that's it. Y'all subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll catch y'all on the next one. This was $50. Quick run, downtown Atlanta. The app is called Zifty. It ain't over. They telling me to go 0.3 miles to one that's $22. So that'll be $73 right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Somebody said, oh, go do it. Yeah, that's my boy. Hey, shout out to Zifty. Let's go get this other little money real quick while we downtown. But yep, I'm gonna put some screenshots on here. I was already at 190 from my catering run this morning. I put some pictures on the screen. Then we dropped that off. That was 51, so that put us at 241. And then we about to do this $22 run. So that's gonna put us at one, that would be 3 plus, so 263. Yeah, and it's only 10:56 in the morning. Downtown Atlanta. 10:56. Cargo, big banger. But yeah, 10:56 downtown Atlanta. Let's do it. All right, see the van outside. We done made it inside. Place smelling good. I don't know if it's ready yet though. So I see some cooking going on. Just gotta tell them what the order number is, throw it in the bag, and get back up out of there. Oh, it could be over there. Look at that. I ain't see that. Yeah. All right, yeah, so they said they're working on it now. That's cool. We just chilling, man. I see one over there. Like I said, I thought that was it, but it's all good. We gonna wait on ours. She said, you picking up a Zifty order? Don't tell me it's lit like this. Y'all better sign up, man. Join the group. It's a Facebook group. It's called Zifty Nationwide Drivers. Zifty Nationwide Drivers. Y'all join that Facebook group. We gonna get it in, man. I need to sign up for this app before they get a waiting list. All right, it's still getting ready. So we still waiting. I don't know, like, I guess, I don't know how they set it up. They must have just sent me over here. I can't see no information on this second order. I don't see no information as far as, you know, the pickup, the delivery, the drop off. So that's kind of weird to me. I don't know how far it's gonna be and stuff like that. So, but my friend just told me that if I wanted to, I could have messaged them and told them that I don't want the order, you know, like when they first gave it to me, because it was random. I dropped off the last one and then it said, you know, go to this next one. And I'm like, what? I ain't accept that. So, you know, usually I only want to do bangers, $50, stuff like that when it comes to catering. But, you know, 30 and up at least. So this $22 order, it was cool. You know, I was already downtown. Y'all know how I like to do, don't like to drive around and stuff like that. So we gonna work it out. But after this one, if they give me another one, I tried to swipe offline on the app. Some of y'all might know what I'm talking about. Try to swipe offline so they don't give me no more without me seeing what it is and being able to, you know, accept it for the price that I want. So we gonna see. But like I said, it's getting ready right now. So let's keep going. All right, so we're loading it down. That's the first part. And we're gonna put all of this into that bag right there. So let's do it right now. Okay, so we got this loaded down, those two. And yeah, so I messaged them and asked them, like, what's up with the information? I can't see no information on it, you know, the drop off, like the pickup time. So I know, like, if I was waiting too long, you know, if he was supposed to be ready, I can't see that. I couldn't see the location that's supposed to get dropped off to. So I know that if $22 is worth it or not. I was like, yo, what's up with that? Like, I can't see no information. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. Right now I'm about to go ahead and swipe that I picked up the order. Okay, so the good thing is the drop off is only 0.7 miles away, something like that. And it says 6 minutes. So let's go ahead and make that drop. Luckily, it was not too far, because that was entirely too long to have to wait for them to cook the food. Like I saw when they put the first chicken or whatever for the fajitas and all that on the grill. Like, no, I did not show up for you to just start cooking the food. Nah, like that might not even been worth $22. I could have went and grabbed a DoorDash. I could have been back on my side of town. So I don't know, Zifty, you got to do better than that one. You got to do better than that second one. But the lady just told me that when it's on demand, you don't get to see the details. I don't like that. That's probably gonna be my last on demand order, unless it's some, you know, crazy $100, $75 order or something. I ain't doing no more $22 on demands. They can stop that. I see why they did that though. But yeah, like I said, it's not that bad. But that's just my gripe of, you know, maybe y'all watching and y'all kind of seen how it was going. Like I said, I had to wait a long time for them to cook that food for me not to know where I'm going. That's a little suspect. I don't like that. Downtown Atlanta with it. We going up that way, and then we making a left. But yeah, man. See some regular vans out, little minivan. We in that big cargo with the load back there. Hey, my stepmom gave me that cover. Shout out to my stepmom. What's up, mom? That thing, I told them that's gonna make it look like I'm sleeping in my car or something. The cover too plush. The cover too plush. I want to be straight rugged in here. The cover is too plush. It's too play. I ain't even used it for nothing. I need to take it out and put it in the crib. Wash it, put it in the crib and use it. Okay, so we dropping them off in the break room. Bag's empty. All right, let's go. Okay, so we done with that one. And when I look on the app, it's telling me that it only it only showing one delivery, the $51 one. It's not showing the other one. So I hit them up and asked them, like, you know, what's up with that? Why is it not showing that? And they was like, it's gonna update by 1 a.m. I don't like that, man. I don't like that. I'm just putting my little 2 cents in. This is my first time doing Zifty. Again, the app name is Zifty. And like I said, so when I scheduled the one earlier, it looked like it posted how it was supposed to. But this second one that they scheduled for me after, like that they assigned to me after, is not showing that I completed it. I don't like that because, you know, it's giving vibes of you not gonna pay me for that. You know what I mean? I really need to see that reflecting on my account. Especially like my boy said, they pay Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today, Wednesday. I want that on my account. That may, you know, to where I get that payment, both of the payments on the same day. It is what it is, man. Anybody who's done Zifty before, comment down below and let me know if I'm tripping or if this is, you know, something that you got a gripe with too, that you don't like either. So I'm gonna cut it short here, but like I said, so, you know, bags empty. We done emptied them out. We dropped off 2 of them. This is my first day doing Zifty, and it's still only 11:59. So like I said, that put me at 263 on the day already, and it's not even, you know, it's before 12 o'clock. So I still can go. I'm probably gonna still go do DoorDash and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Tesla signing out. New app. As you see, they did finally put the second delivery up there. I appreciate them for that. Shout out to Zifty. Y'all join the group.